In this video, I'll show you how to turn off flashlight on iPhone 16. If your flashlight turning off accidentally or by knowingly and you have no idea how to turn off it, let me show you how to do it. There are 4 ways to turn off flashlight on your iPhone with dynamic island model. Let me show you. Trick number 1 is turn off flashlight with the control center. Simply launch the control panel from the top right corner and tap on the flashlight control. This is quick, easy to turn off. Trick number 2 is turn off flashlight with a long press on flashlight icon on the lock screen. This trick is little bit tricky cause of proper long press gesture needed. If you only tap on the icon, you show that flashlight won't turn on. So please long press on the flashlight and that's it. Trick number 3 is tap on the dynamic island and show a user interface will appear. Simply tap on the big flashlight icon and flashlight will turn off. That's it. Trick number 4 is using action button. You can turn off flashlight using action button that is located on the above of volume up button. So this method only work if you have assigned flashlight as a control. So please long press on the action button to turn off flashlight and that's it. You guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.